So I was down at the Mayday event a couple weeks ago. One of my new friends, Richard Spiegel, said, "Hey man, you need to fly this little helicopter." I flew it and I liked it so much I bought one that night. It's called a Goosky S2. These guys were trashing these things all over the place. It was amazing. And they were just picking it right back up and flying it again. That was a normal. I don't normally fly normal, so I was wondering why I had no power. That's idle one. Flies pretty darn good. I don't fly it into myself. Richard was like, "Man, don't worry about wrecking it. I've already crashed it several times. There's nothing you can't do to it that hadn't already been done." So I flew it. I flew it like I stole it, and I loved it. Thing flies so good for being a little bitty dude. I mean, these guys were having so much fun with these things. Then I had to have fun too. Then he let my other buddy Barney fly it. He had a good time, but he had just bought another bigger helicopter. He just didn't have any more. Good Lord, that little dude is so flipping fast, man. Wow. Woohoo. Get a hold of yourself, Raj. I'm just an idle one. I'm not even in. The guys were talking about it. They say every time they crash one, they're more and more impressed with it because they just crash so well. All right, let's try some TikToks. It is so fast. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta be quicker on the sticks here. Oh yeah. All right, idle up 2. All right, we'll do some idle up 2. Oh, wow, good Lord. Yeah, that can get me in trouble, man. Shoot, let's try that. Man, I might even turn these rates down just a little bit. I don't know. I just get myself tuned up. But you know what? I just put it back in idle 1 again. Yeah, I think I like it in idle 1 better. And I get better mileage anyway. Woo! All right, it's telling me my time is up. My new Radio Master. Oh yeah, by the way, I bought a new transmitter. My buddy Barney had a Radio Master. Actually, several guys. I think Richard had one too. And I like that Radio Master so much, I went out and bought me one too, because it was a direct bind to this little dude. Like literally, there's a receiver in that little flybarless controller unit, and all I had to do was bind to my Radio Master. So far, lots of fun.